Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a very quick review on Genie AI. Now, you are here to discover Genie, the personal AI chatbot. If you discover Genie, you get your ultimate AI assistant that is powered by leading language models like ChatGPT, GPT-4o, Cloud, Google Gemini, Grok, Qwen, and DeepSeek. You see, Genie delivers advanced conversational AI for everything from personalized support and creative writing to customer service. It's accessible on web, mobile, and desktop. Genie ensures intelligent, human-like interactions whenever you need them. So you can try Genie today and unlock the power of AI during conversations with the best models on the market. Just tap Get Started now to get started. So that's giving you everything you need to know. You explore the leading AI models available on Genie. Like we told you, this here they are. So many great ones. And it can help you to streamline your workflow, boost creativity, provide instant, intelligent solutions, whether you want to create various content, plan your next trip, code efficiently, or solve complex problems. Genie has you covered with real-time web search, multilingual support, document analysis, and voice-activated assistance. You can get expert-level insight, generate high-quality content, and access information effortlessly. You get the web search, writing coach, math solver, marketing, AI image generator, code helper, and document analysis. These are all great functions of Genie. So this is for web search, and it is trusted globally by millions of people. So here are for the pricing, we have the free and the pro plan. You can access it for a month, 3 months, 12 months. You can see everything you need here. So what are you waiting for? You can get started by clicking on Get Started.